Hello friends, in today's class we'll introduce the third phase of the compiler design that is called semantic analysis. Semantic analysis. Okay, so the next phase is semantic analysis. This is also part of your analysis phase and let's read it out. Once the check performed sentence is grammatically correct. Okay, now grammatically correct. This grammatically correct or not that we perform in the syntax analysis phase. So in syntax analysis, we have we checked whether it is grammatically correct or not, and we are concerned with what is the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so this is the important term when you talk about semantic analysis. We are more interested in meaning. What does it imply? Okay, so there are two parts are there. One is the static entity, and another one is the meaning associated with it. Let's have a sentence which is a very natural language, which is a natural language. We use this sentence in natural language. That baby is crying. Okay, now baby is crying. So what we have done is we have first we have linearly analyzed each and everything. That it is a one unit, second unit, and third unit. Then we have performed whether this sentence is correct or not. Okay, whether without it is being syntactically correct, there is no point of analyzing this sentence further. It has to be syntactically correct. And now what we are going to do here is we are going to figure it out what is the meaning associated with it. So when I say baby is crying, you develop a picture, let's say, in your mind that there is a small baby and she is crying. So that we want to figure it out, and for that what we need to do here in this case, we have to associate attribute value. Okay, so each object is having its attribute value. So what the idea here in this case is baby will have some attribute value, like we can say age, we can say gender. Okay, so we will first describe each object with its attribute. This is a natural language example. And now we will figure it out by using this attribute. We will do the translation. Okay, we perform the translation, that what is the meaning. There is a small baby and she is crying, and there can be many reasons why she is crying, but we will try to develop in semantic analysis a translation. Okay, we will translate this thing. So this is one example. Another example can be here, like 5 plus 6. Okay, now if I write a grammar, let's say expression grammar, and I'll say expr derive expr plus id or id. Okay, so now here if I say that there is a sentence 5 plus 6, then it will look like expression will derive expr plus id and id, and let's say id derives here a number. So this is 5 and then this is 6. So what is this phase syntax analysis does is it will say only that 5 plus 6 can I derive by using this grammar. Now if I give you without any knowledge 5 plus 6 and I'll say just do the translation, so what is the translation associated with it? The translation associated 5 plus 6, I know this is the addition operation, this is a numeric value 5, 6 is a numeric value, and I have to perform the addition. So 5 and 6 are numeric value, and plus means is arithmetic addition. So this comes in your mind. Okay, so look at the difference between these two phases. That one phase says that only 5 plus 6 is a correct sentence or not. Suppose 5 in arithmetic, 5, if I say plus 6, it's a treat like a mathematical statement. 5 plus 6. Now this is not a syntactically correct. I cannot translate this thing into anything in mathematics. But when you say 5 plus 6, immediately comes in your mind that 5, 6 are numeric value, plus is an addition operation, and 5 plus 6 in context of mathematics you can directly translate it to 11. Okay, so that sort of translation we are talking about, and this is done, finding out, figuring it out, meaning associated with the sentence is done in the phase that is called semantic analysis phase. So this phase, a few terms that you will notice here in this case is the attribute. Attribute is the one sentence, and the second sentence here is the most important sentence, is the translation part. This is still we are in the analysis phase, and there are two most important terms in semantic analysis: attribute and translation.